Hi guys, Dave here for Dave Outdoors. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Harakeke, this flax bush right here. Now it can provide food and it can also provide medicine. What I'd like to look at today is the medicine part that it can provide. The Harakeke is a New Zealand native and it can be found from the coastlines all the way up to subalpine. These flax leaves can grow up to 3 meters long, and this particular flax plant is particularly identified by these long stalks that grow out the top, even much longer than 3 meters. It's got red flowers on it, and sometimes a little bit washed out. They could be like a yellowish green color as well. Now the medicine we get from the Harakeke is from the flax leaf itself, right down at the very base of the leaf. Basically we just get a knife, we cut through the leaf, and we use the gel that comes out of it. The gel is soothing and it's antiseptic as well, so you can put it on bites, stings, small cuts, abrasions, things like that. So let's get started. Right, I had to move my setup. The sun was just too dazzling where I was and I couldn't even see. So hopefully the lighting is good here. Here's what we're doing here. We're going to go for this leaf right here. This guy here is in the way. We're just going to cut that out of the way. It might still produce some gel, some of that antiseptic gel we're looking at, but it's old and not in particularly good shape, so we're just going to move that out of the way. These young ones, just going to push them out of the way. And here's the leaf we want, all the way up to the top. It's a real nice healthy leaf, this fellow right here. So when we cut it on a bit of a bevel, so that the gel can drip down easier and quicker out of the cut leaf. There we go. And just going to cut through it there. Initially you think there's heaps of gel, not necessarily. Don't know if you can see that. There's some gunky stuff right there on my knife. That's water and stuff that builds up in between these leaves. Not particularly what you want to put on an open cut. So here's our cut leaf here. As you can see, the beveled end right there. I'm looking for the gel that's going to be around here. Some of it's starting to leak out already. Cool. Had to move the camera yet again. The sun's just playing havoc today. I'm chasing it all over the place. But here is our cut frond. So that was the base of it, as you could see, cut on a bevel. It just helps it drain easier and gives me a nice pointed end to get the gel from. Then I've been leaving it hanging for about 15 minutes or so and keeping an eye on the gel. The gel starts coming out almost immediately, and you just collect what you can and then just let it hang and try and get the rest of it out. Now hopefully this will stay in focus, but that's what the inside of the leaf looks like there. Turn it around a little bit, get a better angle. So, and this is what we're looking for as well. That reddish tinge to the flesh or to the meat of the leaf. That's what we're looking for, that reddish tinge. And you might be able to see the glistening at the end. That's the gel coming out. Kind of a sticky gel, and you can put it straight on your insect bites. Just apply it straight there. Well, so all you really need is just a knife, and you're going to apply it straight. If you wanted to collect it, you need some sort of container, maybe a plastic bag, something to collect it in. As you can see, it's not flowing out. You don't get big drips of it, but over time you do get a substantial amount, or I shouldn't say substantial amount, you do get a reasonable amount. I used a fully mature, fully grown leaf, because I've just been experimenting with it. I found these produce the most. That reddish tinge on the flesh is an indication that you're going to get a reasonable amount of gel. The shorter, younger leaves off the younger plants, they have quite a white flesh and didn't seem to produce. One thing I found as well is you can sometimes squeeze the gel out too. Let's see if we can do it here. This leaf might be a bit old. You see how it's quite a dark sort of green, might be a little bit old. It's not producing as much. And the other ones were softer, and when I squeezed them like this, it actually pushed the gel out of the leaf, coming out of the flesh. Yeah, we're not really getting it this way, but a mature, newer mature leaf you can give it a good squeeze and you actually push the gel down and you get quite a good amount, or it speeds the process up. Okay guys, so there we have it. That is how you can get a medical gel, a soothing and antiseptic gel from the Harakeke flax leaf.